Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we will continue in the chapter number 8, tens and ones. Okay, look at the page number 64. You will find out one activity, clean school day. See, here is the children's. You can find out some children's over here. And one of the child said, we have to clean our school today. We make teams. Each team has 10 students. Here, group of 10 1 is 110. So, here is the thing. Our team will clean the best. Here we go, rub and scrub. बोल रही है हमारी टीम सबसे बेस्ट करेगी. The number of students in all the classes are class 1 is 53, class 2 is 54, class 3 35, class 4 54 and class 5 26. Okay, here is the total number of students in each class has been given. Now look at the next page. How many teams will be there in each class and how many students will be left right here. Here, how many teams? Here we can make 5 teams of 10 10 and the 3 students are left without any team. In second class, we can make 4 teams of 10, right? And 2 students are left without team. In class 3, 3 teams of 10 has been made and 5 students are left without any team. 5 teams and here is a 2 teams and here 4 students are left and 6 students are left. So basically by observing the tens place and 1 place, we can easily find out the group of 10 has been, how many group of 10 has been made. So tens place पे है, जो भी numbers है उतने group of 10 बन सकते हैं, बाकी के नहीं, because 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. Okay, तो 10 ग्रुप का 110 बनता है. 10 का ग्रुप होगा वो 110 बनेगा. तो यहाँ पे देखो 5 है, तो there are 5 group of 10 will become 5 groups. Okay, so next question is how many students are left and all. तो कितने students बचे? By doing the addition of all this, we'll get the 20. So how many more teams can be made with all the students left? So we can make 2 teams, like 10 plus 10 is 20. So we can make 2 teams out of this. Practice time, team of 10 in your school, and find out the number of children in each class of your school. Make teams of the 10 for each class and how many children are left in each class. So this is the self activity which has been done by yourself. Look at the workbook. Here the question number 1 is count and write. 1 has been done as an example. Here is a group of 10 smiley and the 2 smileys are left without any grouping. So here we can write down 10 plus 2 is 12, where 1 tens and 2 ones. Okay. Same way here we will find out the 2 groups of tens and 3 stars are remains left without any grouping. So here we can say 23. The way you are speaking, the way you are writing, 23. So here is 2 tens and 3 ones. 3 groups of buttons, 10 buttons and 6 buttons are remains left without grouping. So we can say 10, 20, 30 and 6. 36 where 3 tens and 6 ones. 10, 10 के 3 groups हैं. So we can say 3 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 plus 7. Here is a 4 groups of 10 and 7 beads are left without grouping of 10. So 4 tens and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of 10 and 5 beads are remains left without grouping in 10. So 5 tens, 5 ones. Look at the next page, question number 2, fill in the empty boxes, right? Here you have to write down the numbers in the expanded form. So the way you are speaking the number, the same way you have to write down the number in the expanded form, like 27, 20 plus 7. Here only you have to add plus sign. 38. 30 plus 8. 51. 50 plus 1. 65. 60 plus 5. 40 plus 7. So 47. 92. 90 plus 2. 89. 80 plus 9. 96. 90 plus 6. 85. 80 plus 5. 20 plus 4. 2, 4, 24. 43. 40 plus 3. So this is the way we will write down the number in the expanded form. Next, rest of the things you have to complete in the homework, and I am not going to send the PDF for this. You have to check out the video. Number 3, match the following. Again, here you have to do the matching with the expanded form, like 35. So 30 plus 5. 61 means 60 plus 1. Where is it? Here is. Just match it. 48. 40 plus 8. Like this. 21. 20 plus 1. So this way you will match the second part in the homework by yourself. Here is the expanded form, और यहाँ पे numbers हैं, short forms हैं. You have to just match it. 10 plus 7 is 17. 30 plus 6 is 36. This is the way you can match the expanded form with the given numbers. Now, turn your page where you will find out question number 4. Draw by taking 10 is equal to rectangle and 1 is equal to triangle for the numbers given below. One has been done as an example. यहाँ पे क्या है? 36. 10, 20, 30 plus 6. So 6 triangles. 43. 10, 20, 30, 40 plus 3. So here is a 4 rectangle, 3 triangles. 57. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this is the way you can write down. And 7 triangles. 3, 3, 6, 7. 62. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And 2. 29. 10, 20. And here is a 9. 34. 10, 20, 30. And the 4. 78. So here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and the 8 triangles. So this is the way you will complete the rest of the numbers by yourself, and you have to complete it by yourself from the video, right? The example which we have already done, you have to complete it from the video. Okay. Now look at the next page, page number 89, where you will find out the question number 5. How will you pay the shopkeeper to buy the things given below as needed? आप shopkeeper को कैसे पैसे दोगे ज़रूरत के हिसाब से, right? Here is a 1, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. 6 notes of rupees 10 and how many coins of rupees 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here is a rupees 69. Okay? A scale of 12 rupees. अगर आपको 12 rupees देने हैं तो क्या करोगे? You have to first divide them in tens and ones. 1 10 मतलब 10 rupees का 1 note and 1 rupees के कितने coin होंगे? 2 coins, right? So this is the way you can bifurcate the numbers. Now look at the exercise number 1, a ball of 25 rupees. Okay, so here first we will bifurcate the number as the tens and ones. 2 tens means 2 group of 10. So 10 rupees plus 10 rupees, and here you will take the 5 coins of rupees 1. Fine. A doll of 33 rupees. First you will bifurcate the number in tens and ones like this. Here is a 3 tens means 3 group of 10. 10, 20, 30 rupees and the 3 coins of rupee 1. 1, 2 and 3. A bat of 47 rupees. Here we will bifurcate the number as tens and ones, and then we'll write down the group of 10. There are 4 groups of 10. 1, 10, 20, 30 and 40 and 7 coins of rupee 1. Okay, so this is the way we can bifurcate the other two example that you will do it by yourself. Now turn your page number 90, where you will find out this exercise. How will you pay the shopkeeper to buy things given below is needed? State two different way to pay. Okay, you have to state the two different ways, right? So here in this case we are going to use any of the notes and coin, like rupees 10, 2 rupees, 5 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin. Okay, you can use any of the combination. Here is an example, a notebook of 15 rupees. So here there are three combination, but you have to write down only two, any two of the combination. So 10 rupee notes, 10 rupees plus 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee. We'll take 5 coins of rupee 1, then it becomes 10 plus 5, 50. 10 rupees plus 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total 5. Another combination is 10 rupees plus 5 rupees. So these are 15 rupees. Now look at here, a pen of 24 rupees. So definitely 20 hai to 10, 20. And 4 coins of rupees 1. This is the one example. I have done the 3 ways, but you have to just write down any of the two. 10 rupees plus 5 rupees plus 5 rupees. So ho gaya 10, 20. And the 4, 2 rupees plus 2 rupees. So this is the way. The third one is the optional one. You need not to write down any the third one. If you want, then it is okay. A book of 36 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 10, 20, 30. 5 rupees plus 1 rupees. 5 plus 1, 6. Now 10, 20, 30. 2 rupees, 2 rupees, 2 rupees, 2, 4 and 6. So this is the way you will get the whole amount. Number 3 and number 4 you will try it by yourself. Now look at the next page number 91, where you will find out the next exercise. How many rupees? Count and write. Here you have to just count the rupees, right? So here is 10, 20. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 25 rupees. Here 10, 20. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 30 rupees. 10, 20 and 30. So this is the way. 10, 20, 30. And here you will find out 2 plus 2, 4. 34 rupees. Fine. Next, I will count it orally, but you have to do it by yourself. Here is a 10 coins of rupees 1. So this is 10 rupees. And 1, 2 and 3. You will do it by yourself, right? Now turn your page number 92, where you will find out the exercise number 8. Standard wise detail of the student of a class are given in the table below. Group of 10 students from here, this has to be made, and for this complete the missing data and answer the question based on it. One has been done as an example. So here number of students 53, so 5 group of 10 10, so there are 5 groups and the 3 students were left. Same way for here, as I had already explained in the textbook, यहाँ पे आप tens ones लिख देंगे, so that will make your work easy. 4 tens means 4 groups and 1 ones. 3 tens means 3 group and 9 ones. 5 tens means 5 group of 10 and 7 ones. These are the left without grouping. And here is two groups of 10 and 8 ones. Okay, so total there are 14 and here is a 25. So how many groups of 10 students of the standard 2 can be made? 4. Standard 2K, 4. And how many students will be left? There is only one student which is left. How many group of 10 students of standard 4 can be made? 4 standard के 5 groups बनेंगे. And how many students will be left? There are 7. How many total group of 10 students are made? So here we are going to do the addition, group of 10 students. So there are 14 groups. And how many total students are left after making the group of 10 students? So there are 25 students which are left after making the 10 student. And how many total groups of 10 students can be made from the total student who are left? So here is answer 2. And how many students will be left? These are 5. Okay, ये जो left वाले हैं उसमें से 2 ग्रुप बनेंगे और 5 बच जाएंगे. Now number 9, solve the problems. There are 48 students in a class. Then how many groups of 10 students can be made from them? And how many students will be left? So here is 48 means 40 plus 8. The 41 means 4 tens. And total 4 groups of 10 students will be made. And 8 student will be left. Number 2, there are 27 passengers sitting in a bus. Then how many groups of 10 passengers can be made from them, and how many passengers will be left? Here is 27 means 20 plus 7, and 21s and 2 tens. 21s means 2 tens. So 20 means टोटल 2 ग्रुप्स ऑफ 10 पैसेंजर्स. यहाँ पे दो 10 के 2 ग्रुप बनेंगे बिकॉज 10 plus 10 20, and 7 passengers will be left without any grouping. Look at the next page, page number 93, where you will find out the question number 3. There are 56 flowers in a basket. Then how many groups of 10 flowers can be made from them? And how many flowers will be left loose? So here is 56 is 50 plus 6. 51 means 5 tens. So here we can see that there are 5 groups of 10 flowers and 6 flowers will be left. There are 63 marbles in a bag. Then how many groups of 10 marbles can be made from them, and how many marbles will be left loose? So here 63 means 60 plus 3. So we can easily say that there are 6 groups of 10 marbles and 3 marbles will be left. देखो यहाँ पे 3 extra है. So number 5, there are 75 small sticks in a bundle of wood sticks, and how many bundles of 10 wood stick can be made from them, and how many wood stick will be left loose? So here is 75 means 70 plus 5, 71s and 7 tens is equal to 7 tens. So we can say that 7 group of 10 sticks are there and 5 sticks will be left. So this is it for this session. Next time we will start the new chapter. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Till that, goodbye.